It's so early. It's 5:49. Been up since like 4:30. That wake-up call was so good. It was. It's the first time I've heard it. I'm very tired.
Oh yeah, I always say that. I have it in my.
So, we are at the train station now, waiting to take a train to France. And our train got canceled because there was a fire? I don't know. So now we wait. So we either leave at 7:30 or like 10. So there's no in between there. And hopefully we get to see platform 9 3/4. I don't really know. Person in front of us spilled their water all over the floor. It's very sad.
Look, it's okay. So it's all good.
I got my blanket wet.
No, it's fine.
But I got coffee and a baguette, so life is good. We are in said train station. It's really pretty. We're going to platform 9 3/4 because our train got delayed. So like, look at how well this turned out. I'm very excited.
Martinas and stuff. Perfect. 3, 1, 2, 3. So good.
Just went to platform 9 3/4 and we got a bunch of cool stuff. And my sister, hi Sabrina, gonna hate me.
That smells delicious.
Pret a manger.
Pret a manger. We've seen like 12 of them.
They're like the McDonald's of Europe or something. I really don't know. I mean, it looks like actually like healthy food, but yeah. Hi Sabrina.
You ready?
They're going in. Nice.
All right. War. Zombie.
War. What is it good for? Problem solved. Kind of. We're taking a 2-hour bus trip and then like another 2-hour ferry, which should be super fun. And then, hey. And then some more bus trips. So after sitting at the train station for like, how long were we there for? At least 2 hours. We finally got new plans, and now we're going on a ferry boat. It's very pretty, very large. This thing is like a freaking cruise. And we just visited the cliffs of Dover. And I went outside, and it was so windy that this happened. So. And we'll be on this for like an hour and a half, and then we've got probably like a 3-hour bus drive to Paris. So all of the traveling. I'm very dark. Goodbye. This is France. Hold on. Everything looks really gross, honestly. This is a bad view of France. Hold on. London is done! And I'm a little sunburned, it appears. And now we are arriving in France, which means, look, another hour is gone, and we're all very tired. Top quality vlogging right now. So, next stop, Paris.